Hello, Emma here. I am just going to do a quick tutorial for a few of my FN team on how to schedule posts, okay? So just bear with me. I am actually using my DU recorder and recording my phone screen. So bear with me a second. Okay, so in order to schedule a post, you will go on your business page and click on post. You will get whatever content you need.
Mommy.
2 seconds, sweetie. So I want that. So I'm just going to copy all. Excuse my daughter.
You made me laugh.
I made you laugh.
Yeah.
Paste.
Yeah.
He's going to say hi. Yeah. So there we go. So I'll just move that a second. So there's my post all ready to go. So I click next. And when it says, how do you want to publish this? Post now. You click on that. Post now. Schedule or save draft. So I'm going to click schedule. You choose the day there. So I'm going to do today.
You made me laugh.
I made you laugh. And I'm going to do 1 o'clock. Okay. Set date. And then you just click schedule at the top there.
Laugh again.
And that's how that one works. And then at 1 o'clock, that will go live.